Some OnePlus phones have a problem. A green line appears on the screen. This line can be vertical or horizontal. It is very distracting. The problem is more common on older models. It affects phones with OLED screens. Moisture and oxygen can get inside the screen. This causes the green line to appear. OnePlus has a solution for this problem. It is called the Green Line Worry-Free Solution. It was launched in December 2024. This solution offers a lifetime warranty in India. The warranty covers all OnePlus devices. This includes past, present, and future models. Users in other countries have a standard warranty. OnePlus is working to expand the lifetime warranty. OnePlus is using new technology to fix the problem. One technology is called PVX Edge Seal. This sealant prevents moisture and oxygen from entering. It acts as a barrier to protect the screen. OnePlus is also testing its displays rigorously. The tests simulate extreme real-world conditions. This includes high temperatures and humidity. These tests ensure the displays are durable. The Green Line issue is not unique to OnePlus. Other phone brands have also experienced this problem. This shows that OLED screens can be fragile. OnePlus is taking steps to address the issue. OnePlus has formed a quality action team. This team will focus on preventing future problems. They will ensure OnePlus products meet high standards. OnePlus is committed to providing a good user experience.